So agitated. Well, I'm gonna plow through it. Just ignore it. Come on. Let's do another mind wipe. Let's take all the agitation, the anger, the fear, the paranoia, and anything else that might be in there with it. Let's gather it all together. And just do a bound purge. Just like starting a public purge. Mind wipe. I don't think it worked, but I did get my face all flushed. Anyway, hello and welcome back to Lumosity. You know, we've been playing with bubbles in every episode for the last two. So let's do it again. This time, back to the very oldest, from the newest to the oldest. Word bubbles. Cranny. Crannies. Crannying, perhaps? Yes. Crane. Oops, cranes. Craning. Oh dear. Cover your eyes. It must be done. I'm so sorry that you had to see that. But I gave you warning. Cover your eyes. Keep them covered. Don't look. No, Jacob, don't peek. Okay. It's not really safe now. It's almost safe. Crassness. Craw. Okay, it's almost safe. Okay, it's safe. Good. You can open your eyes now. Bones. Boner. Oh dear. This. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that happened. I was going through the normal work things I type, and then suddenly, where we are. Bonusing. Bonniness. Bonnies. Bonnie. Yes! Ha! Bonked. Bonkings. Bondings. Bon is a root word, but I can't figure out anything else. Oh, here we have another one. Biology. We'll be able to get some big long words this way. Biologists. Biologies. Biological. Biologically. Biologies. Bioengineering. Oh yes. Bioscience. Oh come on. Oh dear. Bioscience. That's right. Biologists. That's bionics. Bionic. Physics. Yes! We got all the big words. None of the small ones. I can't think of any small ones with bio, though. Oh, 1837. That's not terrible. Good. We're hungry. You know, I actually went out and refilled the bird feeder today, but it was already full. Yeah. So I'm gonna feed you now. Yes. Let's just do everything that doesn't need to be done at once. Feed you. Feed the bird feeder that's already fully fed. Yeah. Everything just getting overdone today. Eggs, meat, episodes, paranoia. Oh, the agitation! does not exist. I mind wiped it. Mind wiped it. I did. It's not here. What paranoia? Ha! What paranoia? I'm not paranoid. You're paranoid. Ouch.
We're not paranoid. If you think we're paranoid, it must be because you're paranoid about us being paranoid.
I was just. No, it's not. No, it's not true. I was just talking. I was just, talking, just saying words.
Yes, we say words too, but it don't come out all awkward like yours do.
My voice sounds more epic.
To sound epic and to sound clear are two different things.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Oh, shut up. Goodness gracious, what have I done?
We are birds.
Okay, I see that. You're birds. Good for you.
Yes, we can fly. Can you fly?
I can fly a plane.
Fly a plane. Man, what good is that?
Plenty of good. I can carry cargo and stuff. Can you carry cargo?
Nuts and stuff. Twigs. Nuts. Rocks. Turtles.
Turtles?
You were big enough.
Yeah, okay. That's true. Top 5 score. Note that it has been a long time since I achieved such an awesome score at this game. Win. Star search. Shall we? Shall. We shall. We shall. That's better grammar, I think. That. Is it good grammar if it makes sense, even if it doesn't look like it would make sense? I mean, if it makes sense on context, but not in a single sentence. I consider good grammar to be whatever is, if it can be understood, it's good grammar. Is basically, if there's no confusion, I consider that good grammar. If there is confusion but excellent grammar, I say that no, that is not excellent grammar. That is failed grammar. Unless it was well understood in the time it was written. In which case, I suppose you could say that it was written a long time ago, and English has changed quite a bit since then, but it may have changed in ways which the author could not have foreseen. Not his fault. Not his fault. Canterbury Tales, for instance. My gosh, is there some weird spellings in there? Some weird leaps of grammar. Oh my gosh. Woo! I recognize the historical importance. I recognize there may be good tales. However, I don't think I can read them. I don't think I can. It's too difficult. I can't do it. The wrong way spinning, you go. Yes. And finally, for the final. No! I don't think that was the one anyway. Okay, why are we still having a problem here? I still feel like we're using the wrong graphics card. Why? We're plugged in. There's no more low battery. Why? What's going on? Alright, 1, 2, 3 games have been done. Let's think of 2 more. Which ones shall they be? What shall they be? New memory match? Disillusion? Let's fail this real fast. Ooh. No, I really should be going. We've taken too much time here. My time wanes, I'm afraid. Oh, how odd. We were at old games. However, after we clicked on Disillusion and clicked back, we were sent to flexibility instead. Crazy. Alright, let's go to all games. Rhythm Revolution. Okay. Goodness gracious sakes. This may have been a bad idea. Yes. Yes, this was a bad idea. For we are getting far too much slack here for incredibly unknown reasons. Oh well. Wait, is it improving? Oh. Yeah. Not much lag on this. Maybe it's different here. Let's try one more round, see if it's improved. Conditions have improved. Not really. No. I say that's probably enough here. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.